how to install Firefox browser on Samsung phone. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into app screen. In here, you want to look for Play Store. In Play Store, at the bottom here, tap on the search button. Then tap on the search text box. In here, you want to type in Firefox. And then tap on the search button. Now tap on the install button. And wait for it to install. Okay, once it has finished, we go down and tap on open. And then tap on continued. Here say, do you want to set Firefox as the default app browser? So we can choose Firefox and tap on set as default. Here you can also add the widget to the home screen if you wanted to, and then tap on add. And then we'll go next. So you can synchronize. If you have back up your Firefox, you can synchronize or choose not now. You can choose to turn on notifications or not now. And then tap on allow, then tap on continued. Okay, so once you go to this page here, you can now start searching. You can switch tabs. If you've got more than one tab, you can switch tab, add new tab. You can open up a web page. You can scroll down and view what you have recently opened. You can tap on the add one here to create a new tab or perform a new search. You can also tap on this QR here to use the camera to take pictures or record video. So you can use for search. So here I can search for QR code. I don't have a QR code, sorry. So basically that's how you can install Firefox. If you need to open up a private tab, there is a private icon here that will allow you to switch between normal browsing or private browsing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.